Hey guys, it's Ms.V here, and today we're going to create a shark using shapes. So we're going to draw shapes on our paper and we're going to create a shark. How cool is that? Gives us a great way to practice using our shapes that we learned this year, and then we also get to practice using our muscles, drawing them. So today we're going to use our paper and we're going to do it the long way instead of tall. We're going to do long. And go again and get your markers, your colors ready, and let's get started.
Can you draw a straight line that goes across?
So I'm going to get my marker ready, and we are going to start by drawing the shape square. So who remembers what a square looks like? A square. See if I can kind of make it with my fingers. Kind of like this. That kind of looks like a rectangle. There we go. A square. So a square has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and they're all the same size, equal size. So we're going to start by going in the middle of our paper, and we're going to make a square. So remember, it's 4, 1. I'm going to go down 2, and then we're going to go 3, and then connect it 4. Now, if your square is not perfect and it looks different than mine or looks different than theirs, what they're doing, that's okay as long as you're doing your best and you're getting your hand muscles nice and strong, because next year when you're in kindergarten, you got to have nice, strong hand muscles so you can write your letters out and write your words that you're learning.
No. Oh. What is that? You know what shape that is?
It's like a cube.
It's kind of like a cube. Yes, it's a square. Draw his mouth next. Okay.
So now we're going to draw the shark's mouth.
This side. So I'm going to turn it like this, but we're going to draw the mouth.
So we have our paper this way, and if it's easier for you, go ahead and bring it tall, and we're going to do a triangle shape. 3 sides make a triangle, and a triangle looks kind of like this without the marker, like that. Or a piece of pizza or a corn chip. Those are triangles. So you're going to come up like you're making a V.
You did it. Okay, now let's turn it back this way.
Go down and then back up like you're making a V for Ms.V. Now you can come back this way, and let me go around this way. Sorry. You're going to connect it going down. So this point is going to connect to this one. So you're going to connect your triangle to your square. So we're going to go down. And then the same thing on this one. We're going to go down. Because sharks' mouths are really big. And they go chomp, chomp, chomp.
Yes, really sharp teeth, huh? So we're going to do lots of zigzags. 1.
So now we're going to do little tiny triangles to make the shark's teeth. Because one thing about sharks is they have a lot of teeth. So I'm just going to go kind of like you're doing, like they said, zigzags. You're going to go up and down. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up.
Okay, now let's put
so some of mine are a little bit bigger and some got smaller. If you want to keep all of yours the same, that's totally fine. I'm going to do the same thing on the bottom. Up, down, 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 up, down.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Awesome. Remember that shark's teeth are not all the same size, so if yours are different, that is totally okay. Now we're going to make the shark's eye, and so we're going to do a circle right on the top triangle. Just a little one.
His tail. You ready to draw the part back here?
And then you're going to do a small, tiny curve and then color in.
And make a triangle. I'll give you a point too. You see that triangle shape?
So now we're going to make another triangle to make the shark's tail. So if you want to flip it going the other way, and you want to do a big triangle going up. 3 sides make a triangle, so we have 1 triangle side here, and then we'll have another one going out, and then go back down. So you have a square and a triangle. Now we're going to do a line going out, just like this. And we're going to do a wide triangle. So it's not going to be really, I like a short like this, it's gonna have an extra long side. They won't all be the same side.
Perfect.
So you're gonna go
do another triangle down
out.
Here. This one could be a little smaller. We'll come down.
See how this one is short and this one is long? And then you're just gonna connect it.
So we'll come down to that point and then back up to there. Yep. Start from there.
Out this way, and then go in, and then go in. So you have different triangles.
The sharks have a big fin on their back, don't they? Yeah. So we'll draw a line that comes up. Draw a line up.
Now remember, mine doesn't look exactly like his, and his doesn't look exactly like mine. My fins got kind of a little bit straight down, and that's okay. Theirs kind of go out and then back in. Now we're going to do another triangle on the top. So this one, you can go up and then down.
And then we'll draw another curved line.
And then they have another one that goes on the bottom. Just like that.
You did it. Awesome.
Awesome. Our sharks look so scary.
On the side of their body, there's 3 gills. So we're going to do 3 lines.
So now we're going to draw the gills, which is the part of the shark where he can breathe through. And they just look like lines on the side of his body. He doesn't breathe through his nose or his mouth like we do. He breathes through the side of his body called the gills. Say gills. Very good. So you want to draw 1, 2, 3 lines on the side of his body. So 1, 2, 3.
Good. And then we're going to connect it. So it's another.
Now it looks like they're adding another small fin on the back on this triangle. So we're going to do a tiny triangle, just like that. And we'll do the same thing on the bottom. You can add another small triangle there.
Austin, you did such a good job on your shark. And did you have fun doing all those shapes? Yeah.
Awesome, awesome.
What color are sharks?
We're going to get ready to color our sharks. But first, I want us to spell the word shark, which I know that we can because we are all so smart. So, shark. Shark. So what is that silly little S? And I'm going to do a curve. I'm going to write on the top. If you have room, you can write on the bottom. Totally up to you. So I'm going to do curve and curve. So like you're doing a C, and you're going to go backwards. And then like shark. The next letter you can't really hear. It's not playing fair, but it is an H. So let's do a lowercase h, which is going to be straight line down, go to the middle, and do a rainbow to the ground. Awesome job, guys. You were doing so good. So shark. I hear R, but there's another letter that you can't hear, and that is A. A is being sneaky, and he's hiding. Let's see. Shark. So A is going to be a circle and a stick. And then R is saying its name nice and loud. Hey, I'm here, and shark. Shark. So let's do a short stick and then half a rainbow. And then shark. It sounds like a C, but it's going to be a K. So let's do that silly little K. Let's do straight line down and then do a V on the side. So one line going up and one going down for shark. You did an awesome job drawing your shark and spelling shark. Give yourself a pat on the back and kiss your brain because you are so smart. Now we're going to color our sharks. I'm going to color mine. I can't wait to see what yours is. Dun, 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 dun. Here is my shark. I can't wait to see what yours looks like. If you want to color the whole page and you want to add fish in there, if you want to add another baby shark next to it, that is totally up to you. I can't wait to see how creative your shark looks and how wonderful it is and how you colored so nicely, no scribble scrabbling, and trying to stay as best as you can in the lines. And go ahead and post your shark to the classroom so we can all see your beautiful work. See you later, guys. Good job. Bye.